the birds are fed from the boat. Free dinner. Passenger crossing Yangon River for Dala. That's on the other side there. 1 mile or 2 kilometers away. I'll show you the rest of the harbor here. Here's another outgoing boat, but they're not feeding, so no company. Here we got some. Here is an incoming boat. We have a strong tide coming from the left. The river runs from the right normally. So it can be a bit tricky here to get into the jetty. The boat is pushed sideways. Busy here, boats coming, going. Did I say free dinner for the birds? These are seabirds. But they don't eat fish and things, they eat worms, insects. Now let me try to show the harbor again then. There's a foreigner sitting there on the pontoon and feeding the birds with the bird feed which you buy up on the harbor. You throw a little ball of maize and they catch it in the air usually. You see many birds waiting here. Up on shore, many stalls. One I think more interesting than the others is this one here in the center, where you I think maybe fall into the river. You don't see it from up there, but maybe you noticed. So here are incoming boats. I'll show you Yangon here. There's a main road in there.